Kalankovich was a Russian railroad hub, and in his day it was quite small. It has since grown to have a population, I think, of several hundred thousand. But in his day, I think it was really just basically a kind of a small rail station center, and there was a Yiddish shtetl right nearby, heavily wooded, I think. Some of this is described in his book. And he tells the story when he heard that I was studying Russian. He hated the Russians and didn't know why I should be studying Russian at Cornell. We used to tell the story of the only Russian he could remember, because not only did the Jews speak only Yiddish, the Russian peasants around them also spoke Yiddish. And the story he remembered was standing, apropos of the railroad station, standing for some reason in the railroad station as a small boy, and this Cossack policeman, huge man with a stick or a baton, came over and knocked the hat off his head and said in Russian, "Snimai shapko, zhidovskaya morda," which means take that cap off your head, you ugly Jewish mug. That's his recollection of the Russian language, and the Russians, for that matter.